Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M9 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and here in the general settings, of course, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and pick languages. And as you can see in my case, I've got two different languages added, so let's add another just by tapping on this option, and we will be transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and let me pick maybe it does not really matter. So let me pick this one. And unfortunately, as you can see, I've just chosen the language which is probably not available in some apps. So let me pick something else, maybe German. Oh my god, that was a misclick. I wanted German. All right. Okay, let's tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so just tap. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the to this list, but the English is still a main one. So all we have to do is to reorder the languages. So let's tap on it and hold it. And now let's drag it to the first position. And after a second, the system should be displayed in the chosen language. And for some reason, it does not work. Or actually, it works. Everything right now in the settings will be in the German language. As you can see, it changed. Let me show it to you again because I'm not really good at this language. So let me set the English again, tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English set. If you want, you can remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the languages. So I will remove all of them, and trash bin icon in the right upper corner again. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.